cores and slices whole pineapples quickly and easily. Comfortable, non-slip knob ratchets to allow for continuous rotations without adjusting your grip. Measurement markings help prevent piercing the bottom of the shell. Parts separate for removing rings and easy cleaning. Lays flat in drawers and comes with a safety cap for storage. Quickly and easily cores and slices fresh pineapples. Ratcheting turning knob for continuous rotations. Measurement markings on shaft help prevent piercing the bottom of the pineapple shell. Knob and shaft separate with the press of a button for easy cleaning and are dishwasher safe. Sharp, medium-sized blade is shaped for compact storage. Accommodates most pineapple sizes. Soft, comfortable, non-slip grip and BPA-free. The OXO Good Grip simple stainless steel pineapple corer and slicer preps a whole pineapple quickly and easily. Simply slice off the top of a fresh pineapple and twist the slicer onto the exposed fruit to create perfect pineapple rings. The ratcheting design makes it easy to core and slice pineapples quickly without having to constantly readjust your grip. Helpful measurement markings on the slicer determine your pineapple's height. This allows you to stop before piercing the bottom of the pineapple so you have an intact shell to fill with a festive fruit salad or cocktails. The turning knob features a soft, comfortable, non-slip grip and separates from the shaft for thorough cleaning. The sharp, stainless steel blade accommodates most pineapple sizes. The slicer's compact shape and blade cap make it safe and easy to store. Dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. This device is replacing a cheaper copy of it. We eat a pineapple every week at our house. This is a game changer. It's so easy to use that I will have to practice letting it do the work. It works like a socket wrench. And it will make it much easier for weaker people and people with arthritis to still enjoy fresh pineapple. I didn't get any reward for giving this review. I am a certified hand therapist and I will be recommending it to patients. I would recommend using a brush to clean the blades. I just rinse the device thoroughly after use. It is dishwasher safe, too.